Hello creative people, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to reborn a new top from this old beautiful gown that has been used maybe 2-3 times. So I decided to create the must top for the summer, which is a very long cowl neckline. For this top I actually use a very big draping that I had on the back of the dress, and I decided to use it as a top to cover my breast. Unfortunately, if you are bigger size, then you need to have, or if you have bigger breasts, then you need to have more fabric than what I have here. This is only for ABC cup. As you can see here, I just connected the one to be entirely one piece, and it looks like this. Very simple, very easy. You can use this from a fabric that doesn't have to be from an old dress. And then the next step is I wanted to add a belt under my breast, because I hate when I have to use a breast tape or I have to try to cover to not show the nipple or the side boob, so I don't like that. So instead I wanted to create a top where I can jump and I can have fun and not thinking that my breast is going to fall out. That's why I do this step. Here I also had an opening, which is from one old mashki dress that I actually was sponsored from, and I didn't no longer wanted to use it, but you can buy an opening whatever you want. It can be also a lace, it can be any type of opening actually, it's up to you, but I had this mashki logo and I loved it because it really looked really nice on this. So what I did here is I just place it on this band, so this is going to be my opening for this top. The second step, I decided that of course you need to try this so you will know where to place. This band needs to be right underneath the breast, and because this is double layer fabric, I'm going to sew it or connect it only on the inner side of the fabric. But before I do that, as you can see, I connected so it's like completely round, and I didn't want my top to move a lot, so I folded, as you can see, so it looks like a collar. So I fold it and I sew it because that's how I know that is the top of the top. This is what is going to come under my head. And then for the next one is I pin it because I needed to see where exactly I needed to place my band that is underneath my breast. And then I use a hand stitch, so I use a needle and thread, and I connected it only from the inner side of the fabric, so I did not touch the front side of the fabric. So when you put the top on, you can jump, you can turn, you can be spinned, you can do whatever you want to do. The boobs ain't going nowhere. So this is a very good step, and I recommend all of you girls or boys to do it. This is the finishing product. This is how the top looks like. Super easy, super fast, no pattern needed, only good fabric. And you can do this from an old piece of fabric, you can do this from an old dress, you can do this with something you already have at home. Super easy. You can do this top with like a scarf, it will look amazing. Just don't forget to do the little band underneath the breast. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and useful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to create something special, please comment below. I would love to create any type of design you wish for. So I hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned and see you soon again. Hej då!